Hi guys, if you want to buy this 220V Smart Air Fryer Oven 1.58 gallons, then please visit the link provided in the description. These days, kitchen appliances are expected to do much more than a single job. People want products that save time, reduce effort, improve cooking results, and fit easily into their everyday routines. That's exactly why air fryer ovens have become one of the hottest trends in modern kitchens. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 220V Smart Air Fryer Oven with a 1.58 gallon capacity, a compact appliance designed to bring convenience, versatility, and healthier cooking into your home. The first thing you'll notice is its modern and stylish design. The appliance looks sleek and contemporary, making it an attractive addition to almost any kitchen setup. Whether your kitchen has a minimalist appearance or a more traditional look, this air fryer oven blends in effortlessly. Despite offering multiple cooking functions, it maintains a relatively compact size, allowing it to fit comfortably on countertops without consuming excessive space. One of the biggest advantages of this smart air fryer oven is its ability to perform several cooking tasks in one machine. Instead of relying on separate appliances for roasting, baking, reheating, and air frying, users can enjoy all these capabilities in a single unit. This not only helps save space, but also simplifies meal preparation and kitchen organization. Healthier cooking is one of the primary reasons why so many people are switching to air fryer technology. Traditional frying methods often require large amounts of oil to achieve crispy textures and rich flavors. This appliance uses powerful hot air circulation to cook food efficiently while reducing the need for excessive oil. As a result, users can enjoy crispy fries, golden chicken, roasted vegetables, and other favorite dishes with significantly less fat than conventional frying methods. The smart functionality adds another layer of convenience. Modern consumers appreciate appliances that reduce guesswork, and this air fryer oven aims to do exactly that. The intelligent control system allows users to select different cooking modes and settings that help optimize performance for various types of food. Whether you're preparing snacks, lunches, dinners, or desserts, the appliance is designed to deliver consistent results while making the cooking process easier. Speed is another important factor. Many traditional ovens require lengthy preheating periods before food can even begin cooking. With this smart air fryer oven, heat is generated quickly and distributed efficiently throughout the cooking chamber. This allows users to start cooking faster and spend less time waiting. For busy individuals and families, those saved minutes can make daily meal preparation much more convenient. The 1.58 gallon capacity provides an excellent balance between cooking space and efficiency. It's large enough to prepare meals for individuals, couples, and small families, while remaining compact enough to avoid unnecessary energy consumption. This size makes it ideal for everyday use, whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, dinner, or quick snacks throughout the day. Another benefit is cooking consistency. Uneven cooking can often ruin an otherwise great meal. Thanks to advanced airflow technology, hot air circulates around food from multiple directions, helping achieve more even cooking results. This means better texture, improved flavor, and a more satisfying overall dining experience. Versatility is where this appliance truly stands out. One day you might be making crispy French fries and chicken wings, while the next day you're baking pastries, roasting vegetables, reheating leftovers, or preparing frozen foods. The ability to switch between different cooking styles without changing appliances makes it a practical solution for a wide variety of recipes and meal types. Cleaning and maintenance are also important considerations for any kitchen appliance. After all, no one wants to spend excessive time scrubbing after cooking. This smart air fryer oven is designed with convenience in mind, featuring removable components that help simplify the cleaning process. Easy-to-maintain surfaces can save time and make daily use much more enjoyable. For individuals who are focused on healthier lifestyles, this appliance can become a valuable part of their kitchen routine. By reducing oil consumption while still delivering crispy textures and satisfying flavors, it supports healthier meal preparation without forcing users to sacrifice taste. Many people find that air fryer technology helps them enjoy their favorite foods while making more balanced dietary choices. Energy efficiency is another significant advantage. Compared to heating a large conventional oven for small meals, A compact air fryer oven often uses less energy while cooking food more quickly. This combination of efficiency and performance can make it an appealing choice for households seeking convenience and cost-effective operation. What makes this product particularly appealing is how it combines multiple modern features into one appliance. Smart controls, rapid heating technology, versatile cooking functions, healthier meal preparation, and space-saving design all work together to create a user-friendly cooking experience. It's a solution designed for modern lifestyles where convenience, efficiency, and flexibility are highly valued. Whether you're a college student, a busy professional, a home chef, or someone simply looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, this air fryer oven offers practical benefits that can simplify everyday cooking. From quick weekday meals to weekend recipe experiments, it provides the flexibility needed to handle a variety of cooking situations. After exploring its features and capabilities, it's clear why appliances like this continue to grow in popularity. The combination of healthy cooking, smart technology, fast performance, versatile functionality, and compact design makes it a compelling option for many households. If you're searching for a reliable appliance that can help reduce cooking time, minimize oil usage, and expand your cooking possibilities, the 220V Smart Air Fryer Oven 1.58 gallons is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming product reviews and buying guides. And if you'd like to learn more about this product, be sure to check the link provided in the description below.